Here is how we can save an address on an iPhone. So at first, we need to go to a Maps application. So by default, we have the Apple Maps, which is fine, but a lot of people also download the Google Maps. But if we get inside the app like this, let's say that we are browsing a specific place. Let's say I'm going to zoom in, and if I want to save an address, at first I have to select it on the map, right? So I can either tap on the thing, right? Like a point on the map, for example, this park, right? So it shows up as the pin, or I can also just hold it down on it. So a pin is going to be dropped to a very specific location. But in either case, you can see the address below. So if I swipe up on it, I can see exactly where it is. I can see the coordinates as well as the address. And what I can do is either pin it and save it within the map application, right? So I can save it for myself within the Maps app, right? Because you can see now there's always going to be the little pin which I left in there in the map, right? Or I can just hold it down on the address like this and click on a copy and save it in some other place. For example, a lot of people just go to their Notes app and just paste it into their notes like this. So click on paste, and then now you'll be able to just see the actual address listed in here, right? So that's the thing which I wanted to talk about. That is like the way you can save the address. Obviously, you can paste it and save it anywhere you want, and it works exactly the same way in the Google Maps as well. You just hold down on a place and either save it within the Map app or just copy the address and paste it somewhere else. So that's it for me. Subscribe and let me know if it worked, and I'll see you in the future uploads.